Rob, good afternoon. Mike Pugliese shooting you a quick video on the 2016 Honda Accord Sport that we have. I sent you a quick email before and I must have been mistaken. The car actually is available, so I wanted to give you a little bit of a personal look at the car. That Sport Honda is very, very popular. I should say the Accord Sport trim line is very popular. It's really nice body lines and shape, and those big alloy, twin 5-spoke rims, kind of that black and silver inlay on some Yokohama all-season tires. That black with the standard tint in the back is really, really sharp. It's got very, very comfortable, kind of a faux leather and cloth kind of seat inside. All-weather floor mats, I believe, are standard in this car. I don't know if you saw the mileage on it. It's just over, I believe, like 106,000 miles, if I'm correct, and a lot of standard optional equipment in here. I'm sorry, both standard and optional equipment in this car. CD player, big backup camera, Bluetooth, all the hand controls on the inside are all standard, very easy layout. Why don't we hop in the cabin and we'll do a quick video inside. Okay, Rob, so here we are inside of the 2016 Honda Accord Sport. Really, really simple layout. I really do like these cars. Everything's, all the instrument clusters and gauges and everything are, very intuitive, very easy to see, very easy to use. Everything's very straightforward. Air controls, radio controls, like I mentioned, CD player, FM, AM, Bluetooth, cruise control standard on the car, which is great. Get your paddle shifters here for the sports. That 2.4 liter 4-cylinder that Honda's done for a long time. A very reliable engine. It's got great gas mileage in this car, and yeah, it's just a wonderful spaced car. I'm very, very comfortable in the cabin. We'll do a quick little loop around our dealership. We'll put the car on the road a little bit here. Very comfortable to drive, very easy to drive. I think everybody knows the reliability of these cars. It's tested and true for a long, long time. So just a wonderful opportunity. A great price on this car for the miles. And I'll send this video right over to you. My videographer, Reed, is going to cut this video and edit it, and we'll send it right over your way, and hopefully we'll be in contact about it, and we'll get you in here to take a test drive yourself. So looking forward to it, Rob. Any questions, please let me know. I'll get this right over to you. Thanks so much.